Do you have any warts? Many people suffer from this, even though they are harmless and painless. When they appear in hidden places, nobody notices them, but when they appear on your face, it's hard to not bother. Warts are a problem caused by HPV, human papillomavirus, which enter the body through scratches and cuts on our skin. Of course, there are medicines to remove warts, but did you know that there are natural and homemade medicines that can help you? In today's video, we will show you some lemon-based medicines that are very efficient to remove warts at home. Lemon is a great medicine for warts, but you need to know how to use it correctly. It helps deconstruct cells from these tissues and eliminate the causes of warts, thanks to its citric acid. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is rich in citric acid, and it helps eliminate dead skin cells and dry warts. To use it, do as follows. Clean the affected area. Squeeze some fresh lemon on a cotton pad. Apply to your skin 2 or 3 times a day. Applying it daily for a few weeks will cause the wart to fall. Are you enjoying the video? Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends to help the channel. Lemon and vinegar. Apple vinegar and lemon are both acids and work really well on wart removal. To use them, do as described. Mix equal amounts of apple vinegar and lemon juice. Soak a cotton pad in the mix and apply on your warts gently. Cover them with a bandage and let it act for 1 hour. After that, remove the bandage and wash the area with warm water. Garlic and lemon. The powerful combination of garlic and lemon has been, for many years, one of the most used natural antibiotic and antifungal to remove warts from your skin. Both ingredients have substances that help destroy and inhibit the growth of many types of fungus, virus, and bacteria. Besides that, they don't cause any undesirable side effects. Want to learn this recipe? 1 clove of garlic, juice of 1/2 a lemon, 1 bandage. Start by mashing the garlic until it becomes a thick paste. Then mix it with the lemon juice. Wait for a few minutes as the mixture acts. After this, apply directly to your wart and put a bandage over it. Let it act during the night and wash it with water the following morning. Do it every night until your wart falls off. It's important to remember to avoid sun exposure while doing treatments with lemon because it can cause burns on your skin. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.